Hello guys, and thanks for watching Cambit today. We're going to take a ride out on the MKT trail out here in Edwardsville. It's about a 14.4 mile nature trail, and we're just going to have a great time today, so stay with me and have a good time. Let's ride. And here we go. We're going to try to do 14.4 out and 14.4 back. View of all the different trails you can take here. And of course you can see we are right here. And this is the nickel plate here. And this is the nature trail here. So that's the one we're going to take a look at today. Nice signage painted on the road here, so you know which road to take. Beautiful canopy. Wonderful path through here. They've was told by the guy at the bike shop that they'd recently gone through here and fixed it, ground it down. There's a lot of tree roots sticking up, so they fixed all that. And this is just a beautiful trail, a beautiful day, 86 degrees out. Edwardsville, Illinois, the nature trail. Nice, beautiful wooden bridge. Just beautiful sights to see out here on the nature trail in Edwardsville. SIU's right up there. If you need to use the facilities, cross another main road here, so be sure to stop like I did. There's a stop sign, by the way. And we're going to go up here and take a couple of these nice wooden bridges. But just beautiful trees both sides. You're just nestled right in here on the trail. We've gone about 5 miles right now, so we're gonna go 10 more, see what happens. Crossing the street. Just have to cross the interstate, and then bottom of the hill, you're back on the bike trail. Just beautiful scenery. And of course, when you're on a bike, you're going slow enough to just observe it, check it out. Never know what kind of nature you might run into out here. Coming up to the Glen Carbon Granite City exit. I guess we gotta go this way. Fork in the road. take a left for Glen Carbon or go straight for Granite City. And we're heading for Granite City. 8.5 miles now. We'll get up to 10, see what's there, take a quick break. Had to stop off, take a look at the beautiful geese here. Yeah, they're having a good time out here too. But we're just over 10 miles, so I believe I'm gonna stop right here and have a quick snack. The cloud cover is making it a little bit cooler to ride. Not quite as hot and steamy out here, but just a completely paved trail the whole way. So this is a path for the whole family. It is an old rail trail, so there's not a lot of elevation changes again, and just a fun, nice ride. So we're just riding through a residential neighborhood here for a while. And now we're riding with the wind. So it's pushing us. It's kind of a nice rest for the legs for a little bit. Thanks for riding with me on Cambit today, guys. Have you had a chance to get on your bike yet this year? If you haven't, I encourage you to try. It is such a great, wonderful exercise. You don't have to exert a lot of effort if you don't want to. You just find some nice paths that are nice and enjoyable for you, and you can go up or longer whenever you feel like it. But you don't have to have the most greatest fancy bike out there. In fact, I've been riding all summer on this 1970s Azuki. .879 mile today. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to Cambit and you watched it this long, you might as well should. So just hit the subscribe button right down here. I'd love to have you as a guest. And if you'd like to watch more excellent biking videos, please click right down here. Thanks for watching.